continues to suffer from extreme weather. The intense heat of recent days has been replaced by thunderstorms. In some cases, the temperature dropped by more than 20 degrees in a few hours. On Monday, a severe hailstorm hit the provinces of Al-Qasim, Riyadh and Spain. In some places, the desert turned white from a huge amount of hailstones. The hailstones reached the size of a walnut. Large hailstones damaged cars. The hail and Afif, heavy rainfall led to floods. Traffic was disrupted. Water currents destroyed the roads. Hundreds of cars fell into a water trap. Local authorities urge citizens to exercise caution.
الله تبارك الرحمن، هذه امطار شمال عفيف على طريق ذريه.